When we think about outfitting a four-wheel drive with protection equipment, invariably the first things that come to mind are bull bars, side rails and under-vehicle protection panels. The rear of the vehicle though is an area that most people just don't think about, and it's probably fair to say that the vast majority of four-wheel drives that are running around just have tow bars fitted to the back of them. But for a little extra investment, you can equip your four-wheel drive with one of these rear protection bars that'll do everything your tow bar will, but give you a whole host of additional features. All Summit rear bars incorporate a fully integrated heavy-duty hitch receiver designed to suit either a standard tow hitch or a rated recovery hitch. This hinged steel panel reveals neat mounting points designed to suit a trailer socket, an Anderson plug, an air compressor socket and a reverse camera trailer socket. The fit, finish and vehicle integration of the Summit rear bar is absolutely first class, but it's functionality that's the real key design element. For example, these wing panels are probably going to take the most punishment when you drive off-road. So we've designed them to be incredibly strong, as you can see here by the three mounting points of the chassis. Plus, you can actually remove and replace them if they do get badly damaged. Now these 4x4 utes have become really popular over the last few years. And one of the reasons for this is the fact that they have such great load carrying capability. The trade-off for all of this space in the back of the vehicle though, is a fairly large overhang which results in a compromised departure angle. So to overcome this, not only is the Summit rear bar really strong, but it sits up really high on the vehicle as well. ARB Summit rear step tow bars are available for the vast majority of late model 4x4 utes on the market. They're available to suit vehicles with parking sensors, without parking sensors. You can have them colour coded to match your vehicle, or you can leave them in the standard black powder coat. They really are the ultimate rear end protection accessory for your 4x4.